In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 5 square shapes infographic slide in PowerPoint, and this is how the slide works. When I click, the first square comes along with the icon, and when I click, you can see here with some colorful square which is interlinked with the help of this shape. Then the icon is there and you can add some detailed text along with the title. When I click, then the second option comes. You can see here the third option and the fourth option. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link, and if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the background to any light gray color background. Then go to View, enable the guides, go to Insert, Shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the rounded corner rectangle. Just click it here. Alright, and then you can make the changes, the height to 2.35 and width also 2.35, and make sure to align center, align middle, shape outline, make it no outline. Then I'm going to duplicate this slide by pressing Ctrl D, and then I'm going to make this as 1.75 height and 1.75 width, and change the color to some other color. Then align center, align middle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this gray part from this blue square. Okay, so if you want, you can make it less curved also. You can see here like this if you want, and here also if you want, you can make it less curved. Alright, so let me just select the blue shape first, then hold the shift key, select the gray one, merge shape and say subtract, and shape outline, no outline, shape fill, make it white. So this is one square shape is ready. Hold the Ctrl Shift key and drag it towards the left. Again, do it once again. I have to hold the Ctrl Shift key and drag it and drop it. And here also, again, hold the Ctrl Shift key, drag and drop it. And then on the top, again, hold the Ctrl Shift key, drag and drop it. And here also, sorry, let me just do it once again and one more. Right now, if you feel that the size is somewhat big, select all the shapes by pressing Ctrl A, Ctrl G to group it, hold the shift key and reduce the size. Again, shape format, align center, align middle, and ungroup this. All right, so once we have done this one, it's time to link this one with the help of another object, and make sure that the sizing is equal among all the shapes. Okay, all right, so once this is done, let's link it. Now let me just add one shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the rounded corner rectangle, draw a rounded corner rectangle. If you want, you can just make it rotate right 90 degrees, give a little bit curve. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can give some different color, and I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate, or you can insert one oval shape also here. You can see here, so our design should look something like this. And if you want, you can make it curved also. Okay, again, so depending on the requirement, how much you need the curve, you can adjust it. You can see here, maybe this much size. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this green shape, hold the shift key, select the blue one, merge shape and subtract it, and just reduce the size a little bit. And I'm going to place this one here, and right mouse click, go to format shape, and I'm going to select a gradient fill. And gradient fill, I'm going to select one color which is somewhat gray color, and one I'm going to make it somewhat lighter color, and here also I'm going to make it somewhat darker color. And the direction, you need to change the direction to this direction. All right, so once this is done, again, if you want, you can just align it properly, make it somewhat small size. Okay, now I'm just going to join this one. Okay, so to join that one, go to Insert, Shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape something like this. You can see here, and shape outline, make it no outline, and same gradient fill I'm giving, and change the direction Okay, again if you want somewhat darker at this corner you can do it, and send this to back. So it looks something like this, you can see here. So now I'm just selecting this one, press Ctrl D to group it, sorry, D to duplicate it, press Ctrl G to group it. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one here exactly at the bottom one, press Ctrl D, rotate it, and I can just go to shape format and rotate it. You can see here, rotate left 90 degrees. I'm going to keep it one here, again one more by pressing Ctrl Shift key, one more, and make sure that the gaps between is equal. So I'm just going to say distribute horizontally, it's the same, so no problem. So let me just ungroup this, and then I'm just selecting the oval shape, which is this one, and send this to back. So this way we can link it. Now again, how you want to add more colors or whatever, you can add it according to your need. So press Ctrl D to duplicate, and you can give any color of your choice, and I'm going to just put it here and send to back. So you can see here, you can do like this, again Ctrl D, you can add something like this. If you want some different color combination, select this one, and I'm going to give some pink color here, and let me just put like this, send to back, Ctrl D, come here and send this to back. So you can see here we can have some different color combination to it. The next thing is to add some icons into this one. Go to insert, click on icons, and you can select any icons of your choice. So randomly I'm just selecting some 5 different icons. Bring it aside, make the height and width as 0.5. You can see here, one I'm going to put it here, this one I'm going to put this in the center, this will come here, this will here, and the other one, make sure it is in center, the one it comes here. All right, and then let's add the text. So go to insert, shapes, or you can just add one more shape here, which is this parenthesis. You can see here this one, right brace, and then make it fully down and put it like this. So this is the shape outline, make it a white color. All right, and if you want, you can increase the weight also like this. So this side I'm going to put the text, so the title, center align, and then add detail text here, center align, and put it like this. Okay, so now press Ctrl D to duplicate this one. I'm just going to rotate it. Okay, press Ctrl D, this information will come here. You can see here, I can just click on this one, Ctrl D again, this information will be for this. You can see here like this. All right, so let me just put this one, the title, if you want you can make it bold. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, this is for this title, Ctrl D, this is for this one, and Ctrl D, this is for this option. All right, so you can see here design is ready, and if you want you can do some simple animations to it.